जितनी भी परेशानियां आएंगी निशात, ठीक है, घबराना नहीं है। इंग्लिश थोड़ी शुरुआत में मुश्किल लगती है बेटा, ओके, फिर धीरे धीरे चीजें आसान हो जाएंगी। आफरीन इस आपको बताएंगे कितनी मुश्किल थी आफरीन के लिए शुरुआत। आफरीन बेटा,
गुड इवनिंग सर।
good evening beta. Nishat is one of our new classmates, one of your new classmates here, and she's a little nervous. She was nervous yesterday as well. Okay, so she needs a little bit maybe confidence. Say something to her, Afreen. कुछ कहिए उनको confidence बढ़ाने के लिए। क्या कहेंगी आफरीन? चीजें आसान हो जाती हैं धीरे धीरे समय के साथ।
यस सर, बिल्कुल आसान हो ही जाती है। और जब
हाँ।
मैं फर्स्ट टाइम आई थी तो हमें लगता था पता नहीं क्या बोलेंगे, नहीं बोलेंगे सबके सामने, तो
हाँ।
थोड़ा अजीब सा फील होता था।
राइट। अभी समझ में आ जाती है मेरी बातें सुन के, राइट आफरीन?
यस सर, अब तो
Yeah,
बहुत
that's
अच्छी तरीके से समझ आती है।
yeah. Slowly
Hello
and
sir, good
slowly.
evening sir.
Hello, Abhishek. Good afternoon.
Happy Teacher Day sir.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. You were not here
Sorry
yesterday,
for
I
late.
think.
Yes sir.
Ah,
Time.
I see. I see. Zeba. Zeba is
गुड इवनिंग
attending.
सर।
Good evening, beta. Zeba is attending from Bokaro, Nishat. Zeba is in Bokaro. Yes, Sanyogita ma'am.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Sanyogita ma'am. Sanyogita ma'am is attending from Ranchi.
Yes, sir.
We have a new person today, a new member in the class. Her name is Nishat. She joined the class yesterday.
Oh,
Thanks sir।
Hello, Amit. Hello, Anshu. Anshu is in Delhi. She is attending from Delhi. Nishat is a little, nervous. It is her first day and she's a shy girl. So I'm trying to give her confidence. So people, did you listen to that audio file? Nishat, beta, have I added you to the group? I think I have added you to the group, right? You are in a Telegram group now?
Okay।
where is she from, sir?
She's from Bihar Sharif, but her parents want her to attend the class online.
Oh,
Nishat. Nishu. Okay, I have just added her. I thought. Hmm. Okay, friends. So let's start with the main book. Hmm. Dr. Susan Hall, right? I shared with you this audio file 3.9. Two girls are actually in Bihar Sharif, but they are attending online. Nishat and Sana. Sana is also in Bihar Sharif, but she's attending online. Sana, you have a company here, Nishat. She is also in Bihar Sharif, but she has decided to attend online. Okay. It's a great help, that you don't have to travel to the class. Um, People, do you remember these phrases here, these questions?
यस सर।
Hmm. Do you spend a lot of time thinking about your childhood? I'm asking you, do you spend a lot of time thinking about your childhood? Now, do you? Guys, do you
No,
spend
I
a
don't.
lot of time thinking about your childhood? Some people do. They think a lot about their childhood. They spend a lot of time thinking about their childhood. Do you spend a lot of time playing video games?
Yes, I do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Bad for your preparations. It's not good for your
Sir, at
preparations.
weekends, not
At
normal
weekends,
days.
only at week.
Yes,
Okay,
only at weekends.
okay. Nishat, do you play video games? Do you play mobile games? No, not at all. That's good. Nishat, what do you do in your free time? When you have free time, how do you spend your free time? What do you do? Do you watch TV? Do you play games? What do you do?
Good evening.
Hey, Imtiaz. Beta, Nishat, bring the mic close to your mouth. Yes, and
Fine.
speak.
Spend time, family, free time.
You spend your free time with your family. Beta,
Yes,
with my family. What will you say, Beta?
Is free
I,
time spend
yeah,
with my family.
yeah. In a different way, Beta. Polo, I spend my free time
I spend my free time
with my family.
with my family.
Okay, this is the right order, Beta. I spend my free time with my family. Okay. Do you have breakfast before you go to work? Do you have breakfast before you go to work? Now,
Yes.
Sayogita ma'am has a job, so I can ask her this question, right?
Yes. I take breakfast before I go to job.
Yeah. Instead of take breakfast, Sayogita ma'am, if you
Good
notice,
evening, sir.
hey Renu, good evening. Sayogita ma'am, the phrase is not take breakfast. Take a look. What is the phrase? Have breakfast.
I have breakfast before I go to work.
Right, right. So Sanyukta ma'am takes good care of her health. She doesn't skip breakfast. She doesn't skip SKIP. She
If
doesn't.
I have time, when?
Oh my goodness. Sometimes you skip breakfast.
Yes.
That's not good. That's not good. Health should be our first priority.
Yes, sir.
Have breakfast. Okay, I'm making a similar sentence. Okay. Do you have a shower before you go to sleep? Do
No.
you have a shower before you go to sleep?
No,
No, I don't.
I don't have a shower before I go to sleep.
Mm. It's not natural to say the whole thing in a
Yes, sir.
conversation. In a conversation,
Yes, sir.
no, I don't is enough. Okay. But
Yes,
yes, if you're practicing, for practice, you can say this. No, I
Yes, sir.
don't have a shower before I go to sleep. That's absolutely okay. But in a natural conversation, no, I don't is enough. No, I don't. And something related. Okay, people. I have another question, okay? And again, I'm using the word before. My focus is on the word before, guys, okay? And I hope you guys will also make similar sentences, okay? Listen to my sentence. Do you take your mother's blessings? Do you take your mother's blessings before you go to an exam?
Yes, I do. Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, of course, right.
Yes, I used to do this, sir.
When you were a
Yes, sir.
student. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So guys, two things happen, one thing happens before another thing. Let me ask you, Do you have breakfast before you have a shower in the morning? Do
No.
you have breakfast before you have a shower?
No, sir.
You first have a shower
Yes.
Yes, sir.
and then you have breakfast.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Anybody here who doesn't mind having breakfast before they have a shower? I do. I have breakfast before I have a shower. I don't care. Means not every day, but it's not important, like I don't have a rule. First I will have a shower, then I will have breakfast. No. If I'm hungry, I have breakfast first and then I have a shower later. But if it is hot, then of course I have a shower first and then I have breakfast. Guys, do you pray? Do you pray? Do you show gratitude to God, uh, before you start eating? Some people, they say a small prayer before they start eating,
Yes, sir.
they
Yes,
show
sir. Yes, sir.
some people, when you serve the food in front of them, they will first say a prayer and then they will eat. Okay, they first say a
Yes.
prayer before they start eating. Do you do that?
My father always said. No, sir.
Okay, Sayugita ma'am's father says a prayer before he starts eating.
Yes.
Okay,
Always.
he always says a prayer before he starts eating. My father did the same, but I am not very religious. I don't say any prayers, I just
Also, my father did the same, sir. Yes, sir.
but you don't, do you?
No, sir, I don't
You said your father did.
do the same, sir.
Your
Do
father
the
does
same.
does the same.
Does, sir. Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
Does the same. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Renu, hey Nishat beta, Renu Didi is attending from Madhya Pradesh, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Gwalior, right, Renu?
Yes, sir. Gwalior.
Yeah, we have a new student, Nishat. She took admission yesterday. Nishat beta,
Yes.
are you feeling comfortable?
Yes.
आप comfortable feel कर रहे हो अब?
Yes.
Good. Okay. So, everybody think of the word before and make a sentence. Okay. ये before पे ध्यान देना, before के बाद क्या लिखा है? गौर से देखो, sentence pattern गौर करना, depends on your own focus. इम्तियाज बेटा, your mic is noisy. Okay, take a look. Before
Sir,
के बाद,
my roommate is from Gwalior.
your roommate is from Gwalior.
Yeah,
Which,
yeah.
okay, so maybe she can talk to Renu. Renu, which part of
Okay.
Gwalior are you from? Where in Gwalior?
I'm from, sir. I'm from Hazira.
Hajira. Anshu, you
Yes, sir.
can talk to her.
Ghospura called
Okay,
Muhammad
sir.
Goz Maqbara is
Muhammad
really famous.
Muhammad Gos's Maqbara
Yes, sir.
is famous.
Muhammad Goz
Yeah.
is yes, famous.
Okay,
Yes.
Hazira. Hazira, you said Hazira.
Yes, sir. Hazira.
Hazira. Okay. I asked.
Yeah. So is it in the center of Gwalior or a bit away from Gwalior?
Sir, I don't know. She is from Gwalior. I asked, but she is no. She is
Uh-huh. She is?
she is outside.
She's
Going
from
to outside.
she's from Madhya Pradesh, that's for sure, right?
No. She is from Gwalior.
She's from Gwalior.
Gwalior is also
Gwalior
city
is
of
also
Madhya Pradesh.
Yeah, Gwalior is in
Also
Madhya
city
Pradesh.
of Madhya Pradesh. Yes,
It is a
sir.
city. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
So Anshu
Yes,
is
sir.
certain. Anshu is certain that her roommate is from Gwalior. She is certain.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And
But
another Rajasthan.
another friend is from Rajasthan. Another roommate is from Rajasthan. Yeah. Our boy Dev, Devendra, who is these days absent, he's from Rajasthan. But he lives in Where does he live?
Pondicherry. Pondicherry, sir.
Pondicherry. Yeah, he lives in Pondicherry, right? Okay. So, before you go to work, take a look here. Before के बाद क्या लिखा है? एक sentence लिखा है ना? You go to work.
Yes,
You go to work.
go to work.
आप कैसे पूछोगे? क्या आप नाश्ता करने से पहले ब्रश करते हैं? कैसे पूछेंगे? क्या आप नाश्ता करने से पहले ब्रश करते हैं?
Before brush.
Have a breakfast
Have
before.
ना ना
have breakfast before.
बेटा do you क्या आप नहीं क्या आप नाश्ता करने से पहले ब्रश करते हैं? क्या आप
Do you
ब्रश
brush
करते हैं?
your teeth
Do you brush your
before
teeth
breakfast?
Yeah.
Before breakfast.
Your teeth before
For taking breakfast.
Before your breakfast.
देखो यहाँ पर दो
For
तीन चीजें
having
हैं.
breakfast, sir.
There are
Also, sir.
three things,
sir.
Renu. There are three
Yes, sir.
things. Three things
Yes,
possible.
sir.
Everybody, I have already taught two.
Yes, sir.
I am teaching the third. Notice, do you brush your teeth before breakfast? One. Before breakfast, one option. Do you brush your teeth before having breakfast? Before
Yes, sir.
having
Breakfast.
breakfast? Option number 2. And option number 3 is, do you brush your teeth before you have breakfast? Right?
before.
Yes, sir.
Sanyogita ma'am has breakfast before she goes to work. She has breakfast. Sanyogita ma'am has breakfast before she goes to work. Understand, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Can everybody repeat the sentence about Sanyogita ma'am?
Sanyogita ma'am has
Sanyogita
breakfast
ma'am
before go to work.
Has
Beta,
breakfast.
before go no, beta. Before go no.
Before-
देखो, before she
Sanyogita
goes.
ma'am has
Before go to
breakfast
work.
before she goes
Sanyogita
to
ma'am
work.
has breakfast
work.
before she
go
goes
to
to
work.
work.
She go or she goes, beta.
She goes to work.
She goes
She
to
goes
work.
to work.
Right. Okay. Very good. And she said that she doesn't have a shower before she goes to work. She doesn't have a shower. अब ये भी बोल देते हैं. Sanyogita ma'am doesn't have a
She
shower
doesn't have shower
before
to work.
before
Before she
Before breakfast.
no.
before she goes to
Before she goes
She
to
goes
work.
to work.
work.
She goes to
Before she
sleep.
goes to
Before she goes
She
to
goes
sleep.
to bed.
Before she
Yes,
goes
sir,
to
yes,
bed.
To bed. Before she goes to bed.
सोने से पहले वो नहाती नहीं
Yes,
है.
sir.
Okay. Anybody here has a shower before they go to bed? Anybody? Do you have a shower before you go to bed? I sometimes do that.
Yes, sir. I
In
also
summer
do.
season, sir.
Yeah. In summer season and in rainy season also sometimes, when it is very hot, then I have a shower before I go to bed. Okay. आप कैसे बोलोगे कि सर ना उठने के बाद 3 गिलास पानी पीते हैं? How will you say this?
उठने के बाद.
वो पहले नहीं बोलना है ना. सर पानी पीते हैं is our sentence ना. कैसे बोलेंगे?
Sir drinks water.
उठने के बाद ना.
हाँ, sir
Getting up.
drinks water. Sir drinks 3 glasses of
Before-
water
After
After-
getting up.
Get up.
Before-
after
Get up.
अच्छा, sorry.
after
After he gets up.
Getting up.
getting up. एक
Sir,
ऑप्शन है.
getting-
Getting up एक ऑप्शन
yes,
है.
sir.
दूसरा ऑप्शन क्या है?
Get up.
After
नहीं, get up तो नहीं है. He gets up. Sentence, पूरा
He
sentence.
gets
He gets up.
He-
After he gets up.
Sir, he
देखो मैंने
gets
सेलेक्ट करके रखा हुआ है. सेलेक्ट करके रखा हुआ है. गौर करो दोस्तों. देखो सेलेक्ट करके रखा हुआ है. Before you go to work. ये पूरा सेंटेंस है ना. You go to work है ना. Subject verb. Right? तो कैसे बोलोगे सर उठने के बाद 3 गिलास पानी पीते हैं?
Sir drinks
Sir
water.
drinking water after
Drink
he
3
gets
glass of water after he gets up.
Sir
Zeba,
drinks 3 glass of water after getting up.
आफ्टर गेटिंग अप वाला प्रैक्टिस मत करिए, ये वाला
He-
प्रैक्टिस करिए.
He gets up.
After she
He gets up.
after
He gets up.
after he gets up.
It's
Hmm. Okay. And Zeba beta, you made a blunder. You made a blunder. Did you notice that, Zeba? You made a big mistake. Do you remember
Yes,
what
sir,
you
I-
said?
I said I get up.
Okay. So say it one more time, beta. Zeba.
Sir, drink.
Sir drinking water. Sir
Nahi,
drinking. Sir
no.
drinks water. Okay, sir. Sir drinks water after he gets up.
Very good. And if you want to add how many glasses, you can say, sir drinks 3 glasses of water. 3 glasses of water, 3 glasses of water, people.
3 glasses of water.
Glasses of
Water.
Every
Glasses.
small thing, you know, glass cannot be used because 3 is plural, okay? So sir drinks 3 glasses of water, okay?
It's very useful, sir.
glasses of water.
Yeah. I drink 3 glasses of warm water.
Hello, sir. Good
Hey,
afternoon.
hey, Deep. Good afternoon. Tomorrow is your auntie's wedding, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All the preparations are done?
Yes.
Good, good. And why is your friend not attending the class?
Master.
Yes.
I don't know, sir.
Ask him when you meet him. He's been absent for 4 or 5 days now.
His mom his mom went to Patna.
His mom
So,
has gone to Patna?
Has
Has
gone
gone
to
to
Patna.
Patna. Patna gayi hui hai. Okay, beta. And she is in Patna with who? Who is she with?
I don't know, sir.
But Maz is in your village. He is in village, right? He is not in
Yes, sir.
Patna. Okay. Maybe Roshin or Uzma, maybe they have gone with their mom.
Yes,
That's why
sir.
they are not attending. But I think Maz enjoys being in the class. Then why is he not here? You know, I like it that my students do not feel the pressure to be in the class. They like being in the class. And a lot of people are absent today. Aarti is absent. Suhani is absent. A lot of people are absent. Okay, let's continue. So guys, you will write sentences with the word before and after.
Yes.
Sir, how I asked कि उनकी शादी कहाँ हो रही है?
Where is she getting married, or where is the boy from? Where is the boy from? Easy question. Where does the boy live? है ना बेटा? Atif, where does the boy live? Okay.
Boy.
Where does the boy live? क्या है ना, हिंदी के बोलने का तरीका, इंग्लिश के बोलने का तरीका अलग होता है बेटा. अगर हम पूछेंगे ना, where is the wedding happening? Where is the wedding taking place? तो इससे हो सकता है कि शादी कहाँ हो रही है, मतलब वो शादी का फंक्शन कहाँ हो रहा है, राइट? तो where is the wedding taking place? लेकिन हमें जानना है उनकी शादी कहाँ हो रही, मीन्स लड़का कहाँ का रहने वाला, राइट बेटा? So we will directly ask, where is the boy from? Where is the groom from? Where does the groom live? Okay, let's continue, everyone.
Yes.
More sentences with the word before and after, okay? In India, भारत में दो चीजें होते हैं, girls get married and girls have babies. अब आप लोग बोलो, ठीक है बेटा? आप कैसे बोलोगे? भारत में लड़कियां शादी करने के बाद बच्चे करती हैं, right? In India, girls have babies. In India, girls have babies after
Married.
that sentence बोलना है बेटा, after they get married. सब प्रैक्टिस करिए इसकी, ठीक है? ये शॉर्टकट में मत जाइए आप लोग. एक इसकी प्रैक्टिस कर लो, you will feel so confident because of this sentence, okay? In
Sir,
India,
after marriage, after get married, sir, सही है कि गलत है, मतलब
बेटा मैंने 3 ऑप्शंस बताए बेटा आपको, 3 ऑप्शंस बताए, फिर से बताता हूँ 3 ऑप्शंस, ओके? गिव मी अ सेकंड. Pay attention. Chalo. Let me try this. First, I'm writing after. यार ऐसे तो नहीं होगा. After a noun. After a noun. सीधे noun के बाद बोल दो. After a noun. चलो ये वाला हटाता हूँ. Wait, give me a second. I'll try something else. This is not really nice. After के बाद क्या क्या आ सकता है दोस्तों? We can have a noun.
Noun.
And after के बाद क्या आ सकता है दोस्तों? A verb. Verb जब आएगा तो कौन से फॉर्म में आएगा?
ing.
और फिर क्या आ सकता है? Subject और verb combination. यानी पूरा सेंटेंस ही आ सकता है ना बेटा? देखो मैं बताता हूँ. After marriage. After marriage. Marriage is a noun. Shadi, a noun. Okay. After marriage. After getting married. After they get married. All the three options are possible. Please learn and write down in the notebook and practice. Okay. After marriage. After getting married. And after they get married. Chalo, three no bol ke dikhata hu. In India, girls have babies. In India, girls have babies after marriage. In India, girls have babies after marriage, right? In India, girls have, hello. In India, girls have babies after marriage. In India, girls have babies after getting married. Getting married. In India, girls have babies after they get married. Did you understand, everybody?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
India, girls have baby after married, getting married. Get married.
In India, girls have baby after marriage.
In India, the girls have
In
baby
India,
after
girls have
getting
after
married.
getting married.
In
In
India,
India,
the
girls
girls
have
have
baby
baby
after they get married.
after they have married.
Keep going. अब ऐसे ही दूसरे सेंटेंस बनाओ.
In India, girls have baby after getting marriage.
Getting married. Get married सुना ना? Get married.
Yes, sir.
तो get married का getting married. Okay.
Getting married.
Okay. चलो एग्जाम के बाद मैं हॉलिडे पे जाऊंगा. बोलो. I will
I will go.
go
I will
go on holiday
after my exam.
I will go on holiday after my exam.
After my exam.
Verb ing लगा के बोलो. I will go on holiday
I will
after
go after going exam.
after doing my exam, after writing my exam, after taking my exam, anything, right? After taking my exam, after doing my exam, after writing my exam, anything. And तीसरा subject verb के साथ. I will go on holiday after I do my exam. Yeah, I complete my exam. I do my exam. I write my exam. Okay, I take my exam. Okay. चलो सब लोग बोलेंगे हम नहाने के बाद पूजा करते हैं या प्रार्थना करते हैं या नमाज पढ़ते हैं, कुछ भी. ठीक है. Come on guys. English में बोलना I say prayers. I say prayers
I say prayer. I say
after the
prayer
bath.
after
After the bath.
I say prayer
After the bath.
have a bath.
अब नहीं बेटा, अब वर्ब हैव लगाओगे तो आईएनजी फॉर्म लगाना पड़ेगा बेटा.
I have bathing.
Please, you are getting it wrong, beta. I have a shower. Sorry, I say prayers after a bath. After or after the bath. After the bath. Okay, नहाने के बाद. Bath हो गया ना noun बेटा? Bath after the bath. और नहाना have a bath भी. Have a bath.
Having bath.
हाँ, having a bath. सेवा बेटा.
Having
Having
a
bath.
bath.
और subject verb के साथ कैसे बोले बेटा? I say prayers after.
Have a bath.
I have a bath.
after taking bath.
Last option. Subject verb वाला option.
I sing.
After
I say prayers. I say prayers.
I say prayer
I
after I have bath.
have bath.
After get nahi.
Subject
After I
verb.
have
Subject
bath.
verb. Subject verb.
After taking
I
bath.
bath.
After taking.
संयुक्ता मैम
taking bath.
subject verb संयुक्ता मैम पहली बार आप
I
गलती
say-
कर रही हैं. After
say
I have a bath.
I have a bath.
ये प्रैक्टिस करना हम लोग को तीसरा वाला ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करना है. ओके एवरीबॉडी, आवर फोकस शुड बी ऑन दिस थर्ड ऑप्शन, सब्जेक्ट वर्ब वाला ऑप्शन. ओके चलो बोलो, हम ना खाना खाने के बाद यानी लंच करने के बाद क्लास अटेंड करते हैं. इजी.
I attend the class
I
after.
attend the class
After
after
I attend the class after the lunch.
the
I
lunch.
attend the class
I attend the class
After lunch.
after lunch.
After lunch. Okay.
Yes.
अब have lunch मतलब लंच करना.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
वर्ब वाला लगा के बोलो, वर्ब वाला. I have.
I attend the class
I attend the
after
class
having
After
after having
Having
lunch.
after having lunch.
After having lunch.
अब सब्जेक्ट वर्ब वाला बोल के दिखाओ.
I attend the
I have
class
a-
after I have lunch.
I have lunch.
Very good. I attend the class after I have lunch. Okay. हाँ, तो ध्यान रखना इसका. तीनों तरह से प्रैक्टिस करना और दिमाग में ले जाना दोस्तों. बहुत जरूरी है, हवा में नहीं. डीप लर्निंग, पूरा गहरे दिमाग में सोच के. ओके एकदम अच्छे से डीप लर्निंग. ऊपर नहीं कि जल्दी प्रैक्टिस कर ले. नो, यू आर डूइंग इट फॉर योरसेल्फ, नॉट फॉर समबडी एल्स. ओके Who else? Okay, fine. Chalo, let's continue. Number 6.
Sir,
Adita.
I do all my housework before I go to the gym.
Very good बेटा, बहुत अच्छा. जिम जाने से पहले आप सारा घर का काम करती हैं. Am I right, Zeba?
Yes, sir.
You do all the housework before you go to the gym. Very good. Zeba does. Everybody.
Zeba does
All her housework
all of the homework after going
before she goes to bed.
before she goes to bed.
तो पहले लाइन का पहले हिंदी कर लेते हैं. ओके वो सारा घर का सारा काम करती है. She does all the housework. She does all the housework before she goes to bed. Before she goes to the gym. Chiku.
Sorry, sir. I am.
Chiku.
Yes, sir.
You missed a very important lesson, Chiku.
Sorry, sir. I am busy.
कैसे बोलेंगे? चिकू क्लास शुरू होने के बाद ज्वाइन करते हैं. कैसे बोलेंगे हम लोग दोस्त?
To join class.
Chiku joins the class
Joins the class.
after the class starts.
After
After the class starts. After the class starts, right? Start होने के बाद join करते हैं. Okay.
I get tired. I get too tired after schooling. क्या
After
कैसे
I
बोल
come back from school, no?
I come back from school.
Very good. Yeah, when I come back from school, right? Everybody, you guys will practice before and after. And the subject wala idea, subject verb wala, you go to work. देखो यहाँ पर कितना अच्छा लिखा है. अरे मत अनम्यूट कर मेरे भाई. इम्तियाज, तेरा माइक नॉइजी है. Only unmute when you are speaking, okay? Okay, let's see. देखो बेटा, do you have breakfast? एक sentence है ना, do you have breakfast? आप नाश्ता करते हो? Before you go to work? काम पे जाने से पहले? तो देखो कैसे before के बाद sentence लिख दिया, you go to work. ये practice करना है. आप लोगों ने देखा था ये, बोला था ये, लेकिन दिमाग में नहीं ले जा पाए. दिमाग में ले जाने के लिए समय देना पड़ता है दोस्तों. एक बार हल्का सा पढ़ लेने से, 2 बार हल्का सा पढ़ लेने से दिमाग में नहीं जाती चीजें. इट टेक्स टाइम. ओके, आपने जितनी इंग्लिश पढ़ी है ना, अगर आपने डीप लर्निंग की होती तो अब तक आप फ्लुएंट होते गाइस, ऑल ऑफ यू. ओके, द ओनली प्रॉब्लम विद यू इज you don't do deep learning. Okay, do deep learning. Observe every pattern.
I have shower before I go to work.
Very good, Kashif. आप पहले सफर करते हैं, खाना खाते हैं, फिर काम पे जाते हैं. काम पे जाने से पहले खाना खाते हैं, right?
I have shower.
Have a shower. Okay, shower. Okay, shower. You have a shower. Okay. Okay. ये words में ना मैं आप लोग को बताता हूँ दोस्तों. Give me a second. देखो, SHOWER. Okay. I want to show you something, everybody. गौर से देखो. ये है SHOWER, shower. Look at the sound. इसमें W है क्या? Do you see W? यानी वह आवाज नहीं आती है. आवाज होती है shower. Shower. Okay. There is no W. Okay. There are some words where you have W, but W is not pronounced. Shower. How do we pronounce it? Shower.
So
Yeah. Okay. Shower. Okay. It is not. Yeah. Some people pronounce it shower. After the shower. Okay. Shower. Okay. Some people pronounce the shower, but we do not say shower. Okay. It is not shower. Okay. Shower is the wrong pronunciation, dear student. Shower is the wrong pronunciation. वो क्या है ना, हम इंडियनाइज करके बोलते हैं shower. वह नहीं है वहां पे. W is not pronounced. W is silent. W is silent. And the sound is shower. Shower. Okay. Shower. पहले बोलो shower, shower, shower. Okay. Shower. Shower.
Shower.
Shower. Okay. Yeah. Shower. Okay. No shower. No word. No word. Everybody can see this?
Shower.
No word sound. खाली ध्यान रखना है, word बोलना नहीं है. Word नहीं बोलना है तो कैसे बोलेंगे?
Sure.
ठीक है. ठीक है, आप जैसे बोल रहे हैं अभी, लेकिन वह ना बोले, धीरे धीरे चेंज हो जाएगा. ओके. There is no word sound. W is silent. Shower. Anshu beta, your roommates are making a noise beta. Yeah, they are talking. Okay, fine, everybody. So let's move on. Do you travel far to work? Does your father travel far to work? Travel far. Travel far.
Far.
Travel far. Far means a big distance or small distance, people?
Big.
Big distance.
Big distance.
Uh,
Travel a big distance. Travel far. Okay. Does your father travel far to work? Now, to work, okay, I'll change. I'll write another sentence. Some old people will tell you, that they traveled far to school. They traveled far to school because today we have a lot more schools than in the past. Today we have a school in every village, in every mohalla, in every neighborhood. There are lots of schools, okay? But in the past, 40 years ago, 50 years ago, there weren't so many schools, okay? So children traveled far to school. Did you understand the sentence?
yes.
Yes, sir.
Today, shops are very nearby for most people, you know, all shops are nearby. But in the past, people traveled far to shops.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Travel far to work. Next, number 7. Does your father sometimes stay late at work? Stay late at work? He stays
Yes, sometimes.
he stays late at work. Okay, this is a fixed phrase. Stay late at work. Okay, stay late at work. Stay late. Does your father often bring work home? Does your father often bring work home? Shabnam, you are here, Shabnam? Okay, Shabnam seems busy a little bit. The sentence is, does your father often bring work home? Okay, guys, I will change work. I will write something else. Guys, boys, this is a question for you, okay? Boys, this is a question for you. All my boys, okay? Boys, do you bring your female friends home? Do you bring your female friends home? Boys?
No, sir. No, sir.
You don't bring your female friends home?
No, sir.
Nobody.
Yes, sir.
Nobody.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Kashif brings his female friends home. Okay, where? In Bihar, in the village or in Dubai?
In the village.
You bring your female friends home?
Yes.
Great. But Atif, do you bring your female friends home?
No, I don't have any female friend.
Oh, you don't have any female friends. Okay. But okay, Atif, when your bhaiya brings you his female friends home, do you go and talk to them or you leave them alone?
I never see her, sir.
You have never seen any female friends he brought home? Do you think he is lying about it?
No, sir.
Then why Atif is saying he has never seen any of your female friends? Guys, if you do not know, Atif and Kashif are brothers, okay? They are siblings. Kashif is older and
Hello,
he
good
lives...
evening, sir.
Hey, Shabnam. Kashif
Sorry
lives
for
in...
being late, sir, because I was offering namaz.
Ah,
Today's Friday, that's why.
what a lovely flow. I'm very happy. Great. Good sentence. Okay. Good sentence, Shabnam. Keep it up. Keep practicing. All right, people. So,
Okay, sir.
guys, Atif is saying he never saw any female friends Kashif brought home. And Kashif is saying he brings his female friends home. Who do you trust? Who do you believe now? Tell me, who is telling the truth here? Do you
Because
think?
Atif doesn't have in-house.
Because he doesn't stay at home.
He stays at home.
Oh, then where does he stay, in your opinion? Outside the house with friends?
No, he is aunt house.
But aunt's house is not in the same village. It is in a different village.
Same village.
Okay, but not in your house. He doesn't live with
Yes.
your mom. Okay, he lives with his auntie. That's why he doesn't know. Atif, your brother is saying you do not know about it because you live with your auntie. Okay.
उस टाइम नहीं होंगे जिस टाइम वो लाए होंगे।
Okay. And anybody else? Abhishek, Chiku, other people, do you bring your female friends home?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Chiku does.
My sister.
Yes, she's not a female friend. She's your sister. Come on. A female friend is a female friend, a friend, but not a girlfriend. There is a difference, okay? A girlfriend is someone you have a romantic relation with, but a female friend is just a female friend.Maybe you will develop a relationship
Sir,
later.
sir,
Mhm.
Sir, I am right.
girlfriend means how? Sir, girlfriend वो तो lover होती है ना, जो someone has romantic relation, तो वो तो lover होती है। और girlfriend
Okay.
का मतलब तो हो गया, वो classmate भी हो सकते हैं, boy's friend, girlfriend।
No,
नहीं,
no. The
Sir, I am
term
right.
the term girlfriend cannot be translated into Hindi as ladki dost. No. The term girlfriend means a girl you like romantically and you want to be with maybe in the future, and maybe you want to marry her. Okay. So that girl is your girlfriend. Suppose you have 5 girls in your class and you are friends with them all. They are not your girlfriends. Okay.
Yes.
A girlfriend is a girl you romantically feel attracted to and she likes you. You guys are in a relationship. Then she's your girlfriend. Otherwise, she's not your girlfriend. Okay. So, girlfriend, the concept of girlfriend is a Western concept. Okay. In the Indian culture, people do not fall in love before marriage, you know. Uh, you will find a few stories in the past, but normally society does not practice that. In society, traditionally, parents choose your life partner.
Sir, I
You
am
know,
right.
yes,
you're right about what, Chiku?
Sir, your question, sir.
My question
Uh,
was, not your question. Your question was,
your question what?
was.
Was your
Your
sorry.
question
Your
was,
question was. Your question was. Your girl. Sorry. Your bring.
do you bring your
Yes.
girlfriends home? Do you bring your girlfriends home? Bring somebody home. Bring something home. Okay. Guys,
Bring. Sir, bring means.
आप ही सोचो. You bring your no, ये नहीं करना. आपको क्या लगता है मुझे नहीं आता है हिंदी? ये गंदा, बहुत यही तरीके की वजह से आप लोग आज तक इंग्लिश नहीं सीख पाए. आपके इंग्लिश बोलने ना बोलने की एक बड़ी वजह है इंग्लिश वर्ड के बदले एक हिंदी वर्ड याद कर लेना. तो आप इंग्लिश वर्ड कब सीखोगे? जब उसकी हिंदी सीख जाओगे तो फिर वो वर्ड समझ महसूस नहीं कर पाओगे. आप याद करो, आप लोग KNOW नो मतलब जानना सोच सोच के परेशान हो रहे थे. वो लाइन सिंपल सा था, यू नो व्हेन समवन इज फ्रॉम कनाडा. You know when someone is from Canada. My mother knows when I am upset. But आप लोग नो मतलब जानना सोच करके परेशान हो रहे थे. Please don't make this mistake again. If you are helping somebody, उनको वो word फिर से बोलो, 2 बार 3 बार बोलो, अलग अलग तरीके से. मैं बोलता हूँ, सुनो. Sometimes you go to a restaurant and you order something. Let's say you order chow mein, but you couldn't finish all the chow mein. You ate only a little bit. Okay. Do you bring the rest of the chow mein home or you leave it in the restaurant? Sometimes, you know, your mood changes after you start eating. You don't want to eat it all. Or suppose you are eating a dosa, you took 2 bites, and after 2 bites, you don't want to eat. Okay. So do you leave the dosa in the restaurant or you bring it home?
leave the
अभी bring समझ में आ रहा है आपको मेरे भाई चिक्कू?
Yes. Yes.
तो
Yes.
okay, Chiku, there was a man, you know, he was married, okay? And when his wife went to the office, he brought his girlfriends home, okay? He had an affair. And one day, his wife came home early and she saw the girlfriend. And you know what happened after that? Dishum, 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 you know, a lot of dishum, dishum. Okay.
यस यस सर। आपने
Bring.
आपने पूछा था ना कि मेरा सेकेंड नाम उस टाइम पे।
Hmm.
हाँ, तो मेरा और भी दूसरा तीसरा नाम था, उस दिन आपको मैं शेयर नहीं किया था सर।
Do you want to share now?
कुत्ता, कमीना,
Oh
वो
my
कल्पना
goodness.
बोलती है।
Oh my
वो
goodness.
कल्पना
Oh my
बोलती है।
goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. आज तो ये कल्पना की पोल खोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे। चिकू, no, don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. Okay, guys. Do you bring your friends home?
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
You bring your friends home?
Yes, sir.
Where do you sit when you bring your friends home? Where do you sit? In the living room or in the bedroom, in your bedroom,
in the
or
veranda, sir.
outside the house?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Lobby, in the lobby.
Yeah. Bring somebody home. Bring something home. Okay. So mummy saw you talking to a girl, okay, on the phone. And then mummy said, why don't you bring her home someday? Why don't you? Why don't you bring her home someday? What a cool mother, huh? Otherwise, mother goes, kutta kamina, ye sab karte rahega, you know, like that, right? When she finds you talking to a girl. Abhishek, do you bring your female friends home?
No, sir, I don't have female friends.
Got it. Got it. ये सब एकदम पॉलिटिक्स में जाने लायक लड़के हैं। ये सब जाएंगे पॉलिटिक्स में। ये सब आंख एकदम चेहरा स्माइल करते हुए झूठ बोलते हैं ना सर।
Innocent guys.
Yeah, they are pretending because they know this video is gonna go on YouTube, you know. Now, let me ask the female students here. My female students, can you bring your male friends home? Do you have the freedom from your family to bring
Yes,
your
sir.
male friends home?
No, sir.
No? No? Nobody? Nobody? Nobody can bring their male friends home. Wow. Okay. I can't believe it. Nobody. Even you, Renu, can't bring your male friends home.
Yes, sir. I bring my
Friends
male
home.
friend
Home.
home. Yes,
Right.
sir.
Nowadays, even girls have a social circle, you know, girls also have a social circle.
Yes, sir.
My daughter has at least 20, 25 friends, you know, good friends. Some of them are girls, some of them are boys, you know, and just like we have a social responsibility, you know, to visit them on special occasions, to invite them on special occasions. Girls also have the same social responsibility nowadays. They have a social circle, network, you know. They invite their male friends home. They go to their male friends home sometimes. And when I say male friends, not boyfriends,
Yes, sir.
okay?
But yes, sir.
Okay. Bring something home. Does your father often bring work home? वो क्या घर लेके आ जाते हैं पापा?
Work. Calm.
Calm. Does your papa
Yes.
often bring work home?
Never.
Never. Adib's father never brings work home, guys. Adib's father never brings work home. Okay. What about you guys, the rest of you? Does your father often bring work home? Answer.
No, sir.
Nowadays, we have this online thing, you know, so most people bring work home. They have to. Kashif, you do not
Yes,
bring
sir.
work home, do you?
No, sir.
No, that's good. That's good. Okay. Do you have trouble sleeping? गौर करिएगा दोस्तों, मैंने हमेशा कहा है एक एक वर्ड पे गौर करना, उसके फॉर्म पे गौर करना, है ना? Do you have trouble sleeping? Hey. Do you sometimes bring beggars home and give them food and clothes and all? Do you sometimes bring beggars home? समझ आई मेरी बात? मैंने क्या पूछा? Do you sometimes bring beggars home? कभी कभी भिखमंगों को घर ले आते हो क्या? Do you sometimes bring beggars home?
I don't take bigger from my papa does.
Take no beta, bring.
Bring.
You don't bring
Yes.
beggars home. Papa does. Papa brings them home
Yes.
and gives them food and clothes and money, right? Okay. Guys, if you see a child, a small baby, let's say a 9-month-old baby, 8-month-old baby, 5-month-old baby, crying and her mother left her alone there, will you bring that baby home or you will leave that baby there?
Yes, sir, I do. I can do.
No, I do नहीं होगा ना, मैंने will पूछा, आप लाएंगे, will you bring her home?
Yes, sir, I will.
Yeah, you will bring her home. But I think you
Yes.
should not bring her home. Maybe if you bring her home, you should inform the police about it, because it's the right thing to do. You bring her home, bring the baby home, but after that, inform the police as well about the whole incident.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. अब चले आगे बढ़े. Bring work home से bring somebody home, समझ रहे? Bring something home. Okay.
Yes.
Sometimes when I see my favorite Golgappa wala in the street, I bring him home, okay? And then all family members eat Golgappa. Number 9, have trouble sleeping. Have trouble. Does your father have trouble sleeping? Trouble, pareshani. Does your father have trouble sleeping?
Yes, he
Does
does.
your father have trouble sleeping? What does it mean? Everybody understands. क्या आपके पापा को मुश्किल होती है क्या करने में?
सोने
Does your father have trouble sleeping?
Yes, he does sometimes.
अब आप बोलेंगे मुझे नया वर्ड सीखने में मुश्किल होती है, कैसे बोलेंगे हम लोग?
I travel to new.
I have trouble.
Travel new words.
Learn new word.
यहाँ पर क्या लिखा है? स्लीपिंग लिखा है, टू स्लीप लिखा है.
Learning new word.
हाँ, तो यही
Learning
ध्यान
new
देना,
word.
ये डीप लर्निंग
Yes, sir.
आतिफ. ओके एवरीबॉडी बोलो, I have
Travel
I
learning.
have trouble learning
new word.
new words.
learning
वर्ड सिंगुलर होता है, वर्ड सिंगुलर होता है. आप वर्ड क्यों बोलेंगे यहाँ पे? आप एक
New
वर्ड की
words.
बात कर रहे हैं.
I have trouble learning words, sentences.
न्यू वर्ड्स, न्यू सेंटेंसेस. ओके चलो,
Yes.
अब बोलो मुझे शावर बोलने में परेशानी होती है, कैसे बोलेंगे?
I have trouble.
I have trouble
I have trouble
Speaking means
speaking.
Saying
Pronouncing
shower.
or
speaking
saying,
shower.
not
Shower.
speaking, saying or
Saying, yes, sir, I
pronouncing.
have trouble saying
Shower.
I have trouble
Shower.
saying
Shower.
shower.
Okay. मेरा घर ढूंढने में लोगों को मुश्किल होती है.
My house.
the people have trouble.
People have trouble
Finding my home.
Finding
My home.
Finding.
some people have
Lovely, you guys are making good progress. समझ में आ रहा है डीप लर्निंग क्या होता है दोस्तों? कभी आपने इस तरह से सोचा था कि जो सामने लिखा है उसको हम लोग लेसन बना के सीख सकते हैं? ऐसे प्रैक्टिस करी थी कभी?
नहीं.
आसान है, मुश्किल है?
people have
आसान.
बस करना क्या
थोड़ा
पड़ता है?
आसान हो गया
क्या करना पड़ता है?
Deep learning करनी पड़ती.
Concentrate.
सामने वाले
And-
फ्रेजेस वर्ड्स पे ध्यान देना होता है एक्स्ट्रा.
Yes,
उसके
sir.
फॉर्म. निशात बेटा वहां
People
स्लीपिंग लिखा
have-
था, स्लीपिंग लिखा था,
Okay.
राइट? स्लीप नहीं लिखा था, स्लीपिंग. तो मैंने कहा आपको सोने में मुश्किल होती है. अगर कोई कहे कि मुझे मैं क्या बोलूं, मुझे क्या करने में मुश्किल होती है दोस्तों?
खाने पकाने.
आपको ध्यान में मुश्किल होती है.
मुझे
नहीं सर.
I have trouble to.
I have trouble to cook.
तू कहाँ से आया अभिषेक?
I have trouble.
To cook.
Teaching.
I
फिर वही
have
गलती।
trouble to cooking.
अरे तू कहाँ
I
लिख
have trouble cooking.
Sorry, sir.
डीप लर्निंग करो मेरे दोस्तों, डीप लर्निंग करो। सामने जो फ्रेज है उससे सीखो। अच्छा ये पैटर्न होता है, अच्छा अच्छा ऐसे करके।
Sir, I have trouble starting class in the evening. This is true and
I have trouble
false.
joining the class in the evening. Starting class, joining the class.
Yes,
अब
sir.
इस क्लास
Yes,
को
sir.
ज्वाइन करने के
Joining
बाद
class.
I have trouble solving two accounts question.
Very good. Okay, you have Anshu has trouble solving accounts questions. Okay, and देखो दोस्तों, अगर हम कहें आपका कभी कभी नेटवर्क काम नहीं करता ना, तो आप मुझे मैसेज क्या लिखोगे? सर आई एम हैविंग ट्रबल, मुझे मुश्किल हो रही है, क्या बोलोगे?
Yes, sir. I'm having trouble.
आगे क्या बोलो, आगे क्या बोलोगे? ट्रबल हो रही किस चीज में, किस चीज में ट्रबल हो रही?
Network.
Joining class.
Joining
Joining the
class.
class.
The
I'm
class,
having
yes.
trouble
class.
joining the
Joining
class.
Joining the class.
Join the class.
Join the class.
Joining,
Join.
sir.
Joining the
Joining
class.
the class.
गौर करो,
Joining the
सामने
class.
वहां स्लीपिंग लिखा है,
Joining.
स्लीप नहीं लिखा है।
Yes, sir.
इसी को कहते हैं सामने वाली बात को इग्नोर नहीं करना। टीचर की बात हो, बुक में फ्रेजेस हो, उसको गौर करो, उसी के जैसे सिमिलर बोलो। ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड लर्निंग पैटर्न्स। एक वीडियो शेयर करूंगा जिसमें स्टीफन क्रैशन के लैंग्वेज एक्विजिशन की थ्योरी, सेकेंड लैंग्वेज एक्विजिशन की थ्योरी बताई जाएगी। ओके, पहले आप वो वीडियो देखोगे एंड देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन दैट वीडियो टू यू, ताकि आपको समझ में आए कि क्यों आप लोग अभी तक इंग्लिश नहीं बोलना सीख पाए। क्योंकि वो जो बताते हैं उसके जैसा आपके क्लास में कभी कोई काम ही नहीं हुआ। जो जो चीजें वो कहते हैं करने के लिए, वो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं कभी आपके साथ। अभी मैं आपको कोई ग्रामर रूल बोल रहा हूँ, गौर करके बताओ मुझे, कोई ग्रामर रूल बोल रहा हूँ?
No.
सिर्फ कह रहा हूँ ऑब्जर्व करो, सामने जो है वैसा ही बोलो।
Yes, sir.
बोले बड़ी मुश्किल, बहुत बहुत मुश्किल हो रही है अच्छा लड़का ढूंढने में। अच्छा लड़का ढूंढने में मुश्किल होती है लोगों को अपनी बेटियों के लिए, राइट? पीपल हैव ट्रबल, पीपल हैव
People have
trouble.
traveling
Why?
trouble. So searching होगा, sir.
हाँ जी,
Searching good boys.
finding a good boy, searching a
Finding.
good,
Finding.
yeah,
Yes,
finding
sir.
a good boy
Yeah,
for their
boy.
daughters, for their
Yes, sir.
daughters.
People have
People have trouble finding
finding the
Good boys for their
People.
daughters, no?
finding
I
good
have
boys.
trouble
Good boys.
waking up
Early.
or go to work.
daughter.
Well done, Kashif. Good, good one. देखो जब आप समझना शुरू करोगे ना, तो अपने मन में वैसे सेंटेंस आएगा जो ऐसा ही है। उन्होंने कहा हमको सुबह ना काम पे जाने में बड़ी मुश्किल होती है, तो वो कैसे बोलेंगे? एवरीबॉडी, काशिफ को सुबह काम पे जाने में मुश्किल होती है। कम ऑन, रिपीट।
I have trouble.
Kashif
has trouble.
Kashif
going
has
to-
trouble.
Kashif has trouble going to
going work. Going
going
work.
to work.
Going to work.
उनको सुबह उठने में मुश्किल होती है भाई काम पे जाने के लिए।
Waking up.
He has trouble getting up. He has trouble
Getting
waking
up.
up. Yeah, to
Yes,
go
sir.
to school, to go
Waking.
to work. Getting up, waking up, to go to work, right?
Yes.
Yeah. He has trouble waking up, getting up, to go to work. He has trouble waking up, getting up, to go to work. बस सुनते रहिए और महसूस करते रहिए। Does your father think about work when he is at home? Does your father think about work when he is at home? Okay. This is an easy sentence, right? Does your father think about work? Guys, do you think about this class when you are at home?
Yes.
yes.
That's great.
I think about work.
Do you think about your English class when you are in the bathroom?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. Because when you think about English, in the bathroom, it means English is on your mind. English is on your mind. It's a good thing. Trust me.
दरवाजा बंद।
किसी को सपना अपना है कि नहीं अभी तक क्लास का? Has anybody had a dream about their English class? अभी तक English class का सपना है कि नहीं किसी को?
No, sir.
आएगा आएगा
नहीं सर।
जल्दी आएगा, डोंट वरी. If you guys learn well, अगर आप अच्छा सीखोगे तो सपना आएगा, मैं भी आऊंगा सपने में, ठीक है? और
Wow.
yes and your classmates, आपके classmates भी आएंगे सपने में. लेकिन कभी कभी क्या होता है, किसी की तरफ फैंटेसी होती है, क्रश होता है, वो सब सपने में आए तो उससे इंग्लिश का लेना देना नहीं है. ओके, you understand what I mean?
Yes.
Sometimes what happens, it is human nature na to like somebody. Kabhi kabhi you have a fantasy, you have a crush on somebody in the class. वो सपने में particularly इंसान आए तो उससे इंग्लिश का कोई वास्ता नहीं है. But if you start thinking, if you start dreaming about the class, if you start dreaming about the teacher, then it means you're thinking about English a lot. And it's a good sign. It's a sign. All my successful students have said that they dreamt about the class, they dreamt about me teaching, okay? वो सपने में मुझे कहीं और नहीं देखते, क्लास में देखते हैं पढ़ाते हुए, समझ रहे हो ना? So that shows that it is at the back of their mind all the time. Subconsciously, they are thinking about the class. That's why they dream about it. And usually those students are successful. तो आपके साथ होगा. इसका पहला शुरुआत होता है when you are alone, when you are doing nothing, like when you are in the bathroom, you know, then suddenly you will start thinking about your English class or English sentences. If it happens with you, तो आप सही रास्ते पे चल रहे हो. अगर नहीं हो रहा अभी आपके साथ, then it should happen. होना चाहिए over time, okay? Maybe in 1 month's time, 2 months' time, you will start thinking about your English class in the bathroom. It's so typical because
It happens, sir.
Yeah, it happens, Shabnam, right? It does happen.
Many times.
Yeah. तो दोस्तों, ये कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं जो पैरामीटर्स हैं कहीं ना कहीं, ओके? होती हैं, हम लोगों के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. मैं नहीं कहता दुनिया के सब लोगों के साथ होती है, but I'm talking about the students I teach in my class. Most of them have said these things. Especially the successful students say that whenever they are alone, they are doing nothing, they start thinking of English sentences automatically. Wherever they
Yes,
are,
sir.
on the bus, on the train, in the bathroom, wherever they are, they just start thinking of some
Yes,
English
sir.
sentences. And it's a good thing.
Yes, yes, sir.
And now we have Dr. Susan Hall. सारे phrases समझ में आ गए? Please practice, okay? आप लोग अच्छे हो practice करने में, जो भी पढ़ाता हूँ practice करते हो, आज भी होना चाहिए, okay? Yep. So guys, now we are going to listen to Dr. Susan Hall. पहले एक joke मारता हूँ गंदा सा, okay? I'm gonna crack a very silly joke. नाम क्या है इनका दोस्तों? What is her name? Dr. Susan Hall. Do you know when Dr. Susan Hall? Yeah,
Susan Hall.
yeah, she's Dr. Susan Hall.
Expert on the work-life balance.
Yeah. You know, guys, when Susan Hall was a child, when she was a young baby, when she was 5-6 years old, do you know what her name was? Do you know what her name was?
Don't know.
Her name was Dr. Susan Room.
डॉक्टर कैसे लग जा
अबे वो ध्यान दे, मेरी बात पे ध्यान दे, उधर क्या जा रहा है?
Room and all.
She was small, so her name was Dr. Susan Room. She became bigger, so Dr. Susan Hall.
Then hall.
रूम
The room, then hall हो गए.
Okay guys, इस तरह के जोक्स बनाने से आपको लैंग्वेज के साथ एक कंफर्ट जोन आता है. मैं आपको बताता हूँ, मैं आपकी तरह था totally, okay? When I was young, I had this dream of speaking fluent English, okay? And I thought, when would I learn so many words in English? When will I feel confident about my English? When I was like you know, in my teenage, early 20s, I wasn't very confident about my English. It was good, but it wasn't that good. And when I saw teachers or people making jokes in English, then I used to think, how do they make jokes in English? You know, हमारे jokes तो हिंदी में होते हैं सारे, right? So that day, means when I was young, I used to think about it. Will I be able to make jokes in English someday? And now in my class, I make a lot of jokes in English like this. This joke was about the meaning of hall. Hall has a meaning. Normally, there is a room in the room in the house, which is slightly bigger than other rooms, and we call it a hall. So that joke was pretty typical funny joke. Maybe you understood, maybe you didn't. Okay.
I always think about jokes, but I don't do that.
Yeah, I like jokes a lot. I'm a funny person, I think, and I think I've got a good sense of humor. Good sense of humor means I know when something is funny. Okay. And yeah, I think teachers need to have a sense of humor, because when they have a sense of humor, teaching becomes more easy, easier, and the students enjoy the class a little bit too. So guys, are you ready to listen to Dr. Susan Hall?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I think I shared the audio yesterday, didn't I? It is in the
Yes.
group? Yeah, okay. I hope you have already listened. And now I'm gonna play it once for you, 3.9. And Nishat beta, don't worry if you don't understand, okay?
Tape script 3.9. Dr. Susan Hall. The work-life balance.
Of course, work is important for us all. It gives us money to live. It gives structure to our everyday lives. But for a happy, balanced life, it's also important to play sometimes. It's important to find time to relax with friends and family. It's not good to think about work all the time. I know from my work as a doctor that it's sometimes difficult not to take your work problems home. But if you take your problems home, you never relax, and it's difficult for your family and bad for your health. Don't live to work. Work to live. Life is more than work.
So that was her last advice.
Tape script 3.9. Dr. Susan Hall.
Guys, why does she say that work is important?
Because he earn money.
Because she earns money.
She earns money. She earns money. So she says work is
It
important.
gives structure of life. It gives good structure of life.
Sangeeta ma'am, you need to just slow down a little bit and think about the words you're saying. You're saying it's, but you should say it, okay? Not it's.
It gives
Yes.
good structure of life.
It gives a structure to our life, okay? Very good. And another reason, why does she say that work is important, people? Listen.
Job is the sources of
Listen.
earn money and
Listen.
Work-life balance.
Of course, work is important for us all. It gives us money to live.
Did you notice?
Yes, it gives money to live.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, work gives us money to live.
Yes.
Without money, you can't live. You need clothes, you need food, and these things cost
Yes, sir.
money, right?
Sure.
So work is important. Obviously, work is important. It's a normal thing. Work is important because it gives money to live.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And
it gives structure to our everyday life.
It gives a structure to our everyday lives. It gives a structure, routine, to our everyday lives. I mean, if I don't have a job, if I have no work, then I can get up when I want to. I can sleep when I want to. I can eat when I want to. I mean, there will be no structure to my day-to-day life. But because I have a job, because I'm a teacher, I have a structure. I need to get up early because I have my class early morning, 7 o'clock, first class. Please, people, understand and respect the class, okay? No noise, please. Okay. So I was saying, yeah, because of this job, I know at what time I will do what. Okay. I know that at 5:30 I will be here because I have a job. Imagine if I was free totally, no work, then people who have no work to do, they don't have a structure to their life. They can do whatever they want anytime, every time. And that way they lose. Remember the Corona time when we were all at home
Yes, sir.
and we were sleeping in the morning at 3 and we were having our dinner at 11 or 12 o'clock midnight. We were getting up at 11
Yes, sir.
in the late morning, you see. So this is what happens when you have no work. So work is important for two reasons, people. One, it gives us money to live.
Yes, money.
It
Yes.
gives us money to live. Ah,
Yes,
Suleika is
structure.
absent, no? Suleika is absent. I don't know why. Okay. Suleika, if you watch, when you watch this video later, remember, don't miss the class, Suleika. You're making good progress, okay? And remember, everybody.
Apurva, sir? Apurva?
Apurva is absent because she has some work, some puja or something. She called me and informed me about it. Yeah. But Aarti, I think,
I
okay.
don't listen.
Okay, I think I know why the people are absent. It's a festival tomorrow, Ganesh Chaturthi,
Yes,
and
yes, sir. Yes,
and
sir.
they
I know.
need to do some puja. So for that, they need to go
Yeah.
shopping, fruit shopping and stuff. So maybe that's the reason, I guess. Okay, so work is important because it gives us money, right? And the second question is, why is play important? Why is play important? And notice the way play is written. Okay, play between inverted commas. Why
Yes, sir.
is play important?
Very
But
important.
for a happy,
Listen.
balanced life, it's also important.
To Susan Hall. The work-life balance.
Of course, work is important for us all. It gives us money to live. It gives structure to our everyday lives. But for a happy, balanced life, it's also important to play sometimes.
Why is play important?
Because play gives a balance.
Play makes our
Balanced
life.
life.
Play makes our life balanced, right, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Play
Yes.
makes our
Makes
life
our life balanced.
happy and balanced.
Happy and balanced.
Play is
Balanced.
important because play makes our life happy and balanced. If you work,
Sir, we can
work,
say play. Sir, we can say we play. Play makes us fit physically and mentally.
sorry, Shabnam, can you repeat?
Sir, play makes us. Play makes us fit physically and mentally. We can say. Can we say?
Actually, Shabnam, you do not understand
Yeah.
the word play in this context. You do not understand the word play in this context. I will explain it tomorrow, okay? Guys, play word is between inverted commas. Why do you see the inverted commas there? So I'll explain that tomorrow. Shabnam, this class, I mean,
Yes, sir.
I know how much you appreciate this class, but I'm just letting you know, ये आप वहां नहीं जा सकते. आपको लग रहा है प्ले मतलब खेलना हो रहा है, राइट? तो आप सोच रहे हो खेलने से शरीर
Yes, sir.
fit रहता है. अगर ये खेलना
Yes,
होता तो प्ले नहीं होता, प्लेइंग होता. वहां पे ध्यान रखें, ओके दोस्तों? अगर प्ले मतलब
Playing.
खेलना होता तो वहां प्लेइंग होता, प्ले नहीं होता.
Yeah.
आप मुझे बताइए, why
Yes,
is
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know.
why is running good?
Because
Why is running important? Why is running good for your health? Okay. Why
Yes,
is
sir. Yes, sir.
smoking bad? Why is drinking good? Why is drinking bad? तो देखो,
Yes,
आप
sir.
जब
Yes, sir.
verb बोलते हो तो ing बोलते हो.
So yes, sir.
play,
Playing.
वो play जो है ना, वो खेलना नहीं है. I'll explain it tomorrow what it
खेलता
means.
हो जाता वो.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
So by the
Yes,
way,
sir.
the answer to the question is play makes our life happy and balanced. If somebody,
Happy and balanced.
if somebody plays, it just works, then they will have money, they will have a structure, but they will not be very happy, right? So play is important. Now, what does play mean? Make a guess, people. What does play mean? Because we are contrasting it with work. People work, right? And
Yes,
work gives them money. Work gives them structure, routine. But only work is not enough. Play makes our life happy and balanced. Play means what?
Yeah. Means,
Anybody?
without work, we
With
we enjoy.
play with
Without work, sir.
Entertainment, sir.
With
Watching
family
Absolutely
members,
correct.
with friends.
Absolutely correct. And that is also correct. Entertainment, relaxing, okay?
Yes,
Play, staying away from work, doing something that you like doing. That is called play.
Yes.
Watching
Yeah.
TV is play. Reading the newspaper is play.
Yeah.
Sitting with your
Listening to
wife
music.
and
Yeah.
talking to your wife is play.
Chatting to each other is also
Talking to
play.
each other is also part of play, okay? So now you guys
Yes,
are
sir.
getting it. Well done. इसी को कहते हैं growth. आप पहले क्या सोच रहे थे, अब आप सही जगह पहुंच रहे हैं, ठीक? This
Yes,
is
sir.
what I feel happy about my class.
Yes, sir.
Students शुरुआत में नीचे रहते हैं, लेकिन उनको उंगली पकड़ के ऊपर लाया जाता है कि हाँ आप समझो. Play. जो मैंने
Yes, sir.
सवाल पूछे, आपका दिमाग काम करने लगा. And संयोगिता मैम, as always, very
Yes,
well
sir.
done. Play is important because it
The
makes.
teacher is a second parents.
Thank you. Don't give me such a big place, okay? I'm just a guide.
They show the right path.
They do. And I try my best to do my job properly, you know, so that you guys remember me
Okay, sir.
all your life. That's my aim, okay? That when I teach,
I will follow you.
when I teach you, you remember me all your life. That's my only aim. मेरा एक ही उद्देश्य है पढ़ाने का, okay? जितने लोगों को पढ़ाऊं उनकी
Yes, sir.
जिंदगी में हमेशा याद रहूं कि that person played a role in my
Yes, sir.
learning, okay? That's my aim. And
Yeah.
which is why look, आप लोगों ने गौर किया होगा, I don't teach fast. अगर मैं जल्दी भी चाहूँ तो जल्दी पढ़ा सकता हूँ, but I decide not to, because मकसद है आपको सिखाना, okay? अरे क्या हो जाएगा, 1 महीना ज्यादा चलेगा कोर्स, तो what's the big deal, हाँ? You see, so I'm not a very money oriented person. Yes, money is important for everybody. It is important for me, but I'm not a totally money oriented person that I think about money all the time. That's why I take my time. I teach you guys more deeply. आज जो phrases मैंने सिखाए आपको, ये before, far to work, bring somebody home, bring something home, have trouble sleeping. अगर आपको याद हो तो हम आप लोगों ने ये चीज 3 दिन पहले खत्म कर दिया था, 4 दिन पहले. फिर भी मैंने डिसाइड किया कि आई शुड टीच दैट थिंग अगेन, क्योंकि डीप लर्निंग नहीं हुई थी यहाँ पे. तो दोस्तों आप मेरे से एक ही चीज सीखो, डीप लर्निंग कैसे करते हैं, ओके? एंड यू विल बी हैप्पी, यू नो, विद द वे आई टीच. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What is the problem with taking work home?
It's important to find time to relax with friends and family. It's not good to think about work all the time. I know from my work as a doctor that it's sometimes difficult not to take your work problems home. But if you take your problems home, you never relax, and it's difficult for your family and bad for your health.
What is the problem with taking work home?
It is the bad for
every day
family and home.
Every day they.
If you take your problems home, then you never relax. That's the problem.
Yes, every time work.
Yeah, work. And that's not good for your health. That's not good for your family.
Yes,
what is her final advice? What is her final
Don't
advice?
live to work. Work to live. Life is more than work.
What is her final advice?
Life is more than work.
Life is more than work. Don't live to work. Don't live to work. Work to live. मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ इस पे फॉलो करने की, ठीक है? 8-9 घंटे पढ़ाओ, 8-9 घंटे काम करो, फिर लाइफ को एंजॉय करो. Otherwise you will be unhappy. So guys, please listen. और आपका होमवर्क मैं बताता हूँ. Listen to the audio and write the audio script. जो बोल रही है वो लिखना है आपको.
Okay, sir.
Everybody, write the audio script for 3.9. Dr. Susan Hall. Okay, write what she's saying.
Okay,
Listen. अच्छा, लिखने का तरीका समझाता हूँ. आप उसकी एक लाइन सुनो, उस लाइन को लिखो. मुश्किल हो जाए फिर से सुनो, फिर लिखो. लेकिन एक वर्ड सुन के मत लिखना कि एक वर्ड सुन रहे हैं, एक वर्ड लिख रहे हैं. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं करना दोस्तों.
Yes, sir.
आपको समझना है कि सेंटेंस एक कंप्लीट हुआ, ये एक टुकड़ा कंप्लीट है। एक एक वर्ड सुन के पॉज करके लिखने से फायदा नहीं होता। ओके, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस प्लीज। तो लिखने का तरीका सही होना चाहिए दोस्तों। ओके, एंड आई विल सी यू ऑल टुमारो। Bye bye everybody, take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye everyone.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.